we cut across to more breaking news coming in as the Home Ministry is telling Lok Sabha in reply to a question on whether the government plans to amend the Act in the light of recent evidence about a large number of acquittals. This is in connection with the UAPA Act, where the government is standing its ground, saying that no amendment is needed in the UAPA Act. The government is responding to the question on acquittals and the government firm on not diluting the UAPA Act as being demanded by the opposition. Home Ministry telling the Lok Sabha in reply to a question on whether the government plans to amend the Act in light of recent evidence about a large number of acquittals, and the government standing firm that the government does not in any which way intend diluting the UAPA Act. Aishwarya Kapoor, editor Politics, joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, give us a sense of what is happening, and I'm not too sure if Aishwarya is still connected, but I believe Piyush is with us. Piyush, you're tracking details of what is happening in the lower house. Tell us more on this front.
Well, that has been, said by Ministry of Home Affairs, where I have been informed to Lok Sabha in a reply to a question on whether the government is planning to amend the Act in the light of the recent evidences those are found about a large number of acquittals. On that particular question, Home Ministry has now said that as of now there is no amendments which will be done in UAPA, and in fact no amendments are even under the consideration. This is what the Home Ministry has now told to Lok Sabha. Remember that the question was asked about if the government is planning to amend the Act, looking at the recent evidences about the good number of acquittals those have taken place, to which the government has made its intention very clear. It has told, Ministry of Home Affairs now told to the Lok Sabha that presently no amendments will be made in UAPA. In fact, none of them are even under consideration.
But really tell us more to how the opposition is reacting now, Piyush, given the turn of events and all that has been happening on key issues in the parliament. Are they now hounding the centre on this?
The suspension of these of 12 members of parliament a couple of days back, we also saw a march which was taken out. But as far as this issue is concerned, what the opposition political parties want, they want that government must apologize first for suspending these MPs, and then only they will, get into the business of running the house smoothly. But the government question was asked about making changes in UAP, on which the government has now made it very clear that there is no consideration of making amendments. And the question was asked, but the government has now made its intention very much clear. But if you talk about the opposition's attitude inside the parliament, we can clearly see as to how all opposition MPs, be it in Rajya Sabha or in Lok Sabha, they took out a march from parliament towards the Vijay Chowk, where they demanded that the MPs who have been suspended, their suspension should be revoked. In fact, they are saying that government must apologize to these MPs as they were suspended undemocratically. But when the question was asked about making changes in UAP, on this the government has made it stand very much clear that no amendment will be made. In fact, as of now, there are no considerations. There are no thinking, or the government is not even thinking about this, and not even considering to make any amendment in UAPA.
All right, Piyush, thank you for those details.